Hey guys, welcome back. It's Janelle again, and I just want to do hopefully a quick video. I have had a few questions. One of them has been my blending solution, and I have showed it in some other videos and I've kind of mentioned how I make it, but I'm going to just show you exactly what I do in this video because I am about to do another painting for alcohol inks, and I notice I'm just running a little bit low on my blending fluid, so I need to make some more, and I'm just going to show you how I do that. I also want to answer a few of your questions that were just asked recently in the comments, so I'm just going to be kind of reading the comments out here. One of the things that I've been asked, and I have mentioned it a couple times, but sometimes things can get missed. Sorry, I'm just off to the side here. Is the paper I use. This is the paper I use. It is Kirkland photo paper from Costco. I like it better than Yupo. I find it works better than Yupo. And it's so much cheaper. I get 150 8.5 by 11 sheets for $20 in Canada. So it's probably cheaper in the States. As opposed to Yupo, which is, I don't know, $40 for 10 sheets. And the reason why, another reason why I suggest you use Yupo, or you use this kind of paper, is because knowing that you're not spending an arm and a leg on it helps to free you up to experiment more. When you are using supplies that are very, very expensive, and you're learning things, and even when you're not learning things and you're just trying to paint, it's just, to me, it's just stressful, because it's like, okay, this has to turn into a masterpiece because, you know, I only have a certain number of these and they cost me a lot. So that was one of the things. The last video I did was alcohol flowers. I did 8 different kinds of flowers with alcohol markers. You can check the link out there, and they were all done using the Bic Market markers. Oh, Becky B asks, how long have I been painting, creating? About 6-7 years. I am a self-taught artist, but I've always been a very creative person. What determines which size type of straw you use? This is from Rachel Hollingdale. If I want bigger petals and I want to like do just more of an abstract, bigger shape, I use these fatter ones that are like slushy stores. If I want to do a little bit more controlled and skinnier petals, I will use this skinny one, and I like the flexibility because I can angle it and I don't have to bend down so far. Video on acetate. I did reply to Becky B about this, and I am going to be doing some alcohol inks on acetate just to see. I actually haven't done it, but I will do it. Dick Blick alcohol markers, I'd love to. Can't really get them in Canada because they cost like, I don't know, $40 for shipping up to here, so that's all. If you have any questions, please ask, and I will try to regularly address them on the videos. But let's get to this. So I have a little bit left here, and I just have a squeeze bottle. You can get these various places. I think I got this on Amazon, and I just got a bunch. It's not the best brand, but for the most part it doesn't leak if you keep it upright. I find that when I do videos, I use the wrong words a lot of time when I watch it back. It's very annoying. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill this up most of the way. Pretty much all the way. And I'm just going to put a few drops. You can do this like this, or you can use a dropper. It's quite sticky. And that's all I'm going to do. That was what amounted to a couple of drops. I think I'd say about 3-4 drops for this. This is a 30 ml bottle. And what is this that I'm putting in here? It is a regular vegetable glycerin. And many people ask, and it's just an extender. So it just helps to extend everything. You don't want to use too much of the glycerin, because it'll extend it too much. It'll take it a long time to dry, and it'll, in some cases, not really dry at all. And I'm using, 99% isopropyl alcohol. You can use 91%. You can also use 70%. I don't think it'll work as well. So I would suggest using 90% or higher. And I have a blending brush, which you can barely see the writing on. This is just a regular water brush for watercolor that I have designated for my blending solution. I like to have some in here and in here. So this tip is also good. You've probably seen me do this on other videos. And I'm just going to fill that up. And, you know, depending on how much you use, this will last for a while. I've been doing a whole bunch of alcohol ink videos, so I've been having to refill it quite a bit lately, but that's just because this is all I've been doing. And there you go, that's how you make that. As to how it compares with the blending solution you would buy from Adirondack, for instance, I don't know. I've never bought that. I've had other people that have used both, and they just use their own blending solution just because it's a lot cheaper. But I do use blenders for my alcohol inks. I have a couple of different blenders, or for my alcohol markers. I use the blenders. I don't use this as much for when I'm doing sketches and whatever. When I'm using my markers to do flowers, I use this. I do want to just mention the giveaway that I'm doing. These are all going to be given away. 2 winners. Each of you will get a marker pad, brand new. This is all of my giveaways. I have a giveaway every month. Usually it'll be a different theme. Sometimes it might be a specific brand, like it was Jane Davenport a little bit ago. And this is an alcohol ink applicator tool. I think I called it blending solution in the last one. 2 water brushes, which you can use for blending solution, and you can make yourself. I've got a couple of Copics and Artist Loft here. And I've got some things actually that I have yet to add to here. I have a whole bunch of markers, like there's a lot of markers, so you will be getting lots of markers. And if you're wondering why do I want to win that in a giveaway, watch my videos that I have using them, and you'll realize that they are very, very cool. Some alcohol inks. And so, as I said, none of this has been used. I'm not giving you my used up products, and if I do give you anything from my own studio, I would mention it and say this is from my studio. But I'm not going to give you crap, so even if I did that, it would be some good stuff. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope that was informative. And in order to enter the giveaway, you have to watch all the videos in the alcohol ink giveaway playlist. There is still a lot more coming because I wasn't able to do as many in the middle of the month, so I'm kind of putting them all to the end of the month. But I might extend it a little bit just because I'm adding so many videos right at the end, and I want to give you guys all time to watch it. So you have to watch each video. You have to leave a comment on each video. At least 1 comment, but if you leave more legit comments, each comment will get an entry. You have to give a thumbs up or a thumbs down on each video in that playlist, and you have to be subscribed to me. So click the little notification bell because that will help you to not miss any of the videos. If you just go to my channel and click playlists, there will be one that says alcohol ink giveaway, and I do try to link to that playlist in all of my videos. So I will link to that playlist right here. And you just make sure you watch all the videos in that playlist and you'll be fine. Because I did just read a comment, I can't remember who it was by, that said they weren't sure if they had gotten all the videos yet. So watch all those, plus there is more. I will let you know when the last one is uploaded so you won't be confused. And I will make sure to give you guys all lots of time so that you don't have like, you know, half a day to watch them all or half a day to figure it out. Okay, so that's enough. I am about to create an actual class in person using alcohol ink flower. So I'm going to do that on video, and I'm just going to time lapse it and maybe put it to music. All right, so bye for now.